Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So most times in your office, you're dealing with sound that you don't want, and you want a more flat sound when you're recording. And so I got something in that's going to help me out from Arrowzoom, and basically you put them all over the wall. I'll show you. So these are fireproof, which is the most important thing I can mention to you at this point. I got two different colors here, just spice it up. I like the black and blue look. But you put these up and it'll deaden out the sound, more of like a studio. You ever been in a studio? I've been in a recording studio. If you've never been in a recording studio, then you might see a lot of these all over the wall, and they deaden out the sound. So let's get these put up. Pretty simple. You just use this double-sided 3M, and you put them on the back of them, and you put them where you want them to go. Let's try some out. So after you start to get them installed, they go up really easy, and you can cut them. As you can see, I just cut them into even pieces, and you just put them where you want to kill off all the sound. You want to help deaden the sound. So I'm going to pretty much do this entire area. I want to stop and just close this video out like this, showing you how easy it is to put up. They go on really easy. They have the 3M for the rear. As you can see, they stick on, and they're not going to move, that's for sure, because I had placed, I think I was going to put another piece right there, and I was going to slide that one, but that thing is on there, so it's not coming off. So that 3M is actually pretty good. But this is how I'm going to finish this off. Again, they cut up really easy. I took a knife and just split it evenly where I wanted it, but you can take little single pieces, and you can just put it however you want to put it. And I think it'll help kill off the sound, depending on what your office is like. This office has a lot of echo sometimes, so getting these was just a huge plus. So this is what it'll look like if you do your entire wall. You can leave them in big squares. And I went around my sign and just the things that I have on the wall. I'm not going to remove all of that. But there you have it, man. This is where I record, and then hopefully I can give you better sound quality with the mic and everything in here, and just, getting everything set up the right way. So this is what it looks like when you start to put these on the wall. All right, it's your man Jay Will. I'll see you in the next video.